Turbines are used in engines and electricity generation unit. A turbine is a machine or rotating mechanical device that extract energy from the fluid and convert it into mechanical energy. The mechanical energy produced by the turbine can be used for generating electric power. Turbine created sometimes in the 4th and 3rd centuries. The water wheel was the first known gravity turbine. It was not used to generate electric power, it was used for lifting water for the irrigation purpose. There are four broad types of turbine categorized according to the fluid that supplies driving force. The steam turbine, gas turbine, water turbine and wind turbine. These are the four broad categories of the turbine. Steam turbine, water turbine and wind turbines are used to generate electricity. Gas turbines are used in the aircraft. The water turbines are classified into two main types. The first one is impulse turbine and the second one is reaction turbine. In an impulse turbine, the entire pressure of water is converted into kinetic energy by providing nozzle at the end of the penstock. Impulse turbine are used for the high head power plant. So the Pelton wheel and the cross flow turbine are the example of the impulse turbine. In reaction turbine, water enters the runner partly with kinetic energy and partly with pressure energy. That is, in case of reaction turbine, the nozzle is not provided at the end of the penstock. Reaction turbines are mainly used for medium head and low head power plant. Francis turbine, propeller turbine and kaplan turbine are the example of the reaction turbine.